The Conscious Kitchen started as a result of a deep passion for food, and it was really sparked by a visit to a school in Marin City called Bayside MLK Academy, and seeing what the kids were eating every day, seeing what was ending up in the trash that they weren't eating. There was no thought or intention around how these students were being fed. They're kids that need good food probably more than anybody. So Flossin' Food, fresh, local, organic, seasonal, non-GMO, is how we live and what we thrive on, and we tell people that basically that's what we're buying and feeding these children. They look at us like we're crazy, like how can you have organic and non-GMO food and afford it and be on budget? And I think it goes back to the same word, intention. If you decide you're going to do something, you figure out how to get there. We buy cases of fruit that would typically be $4.99 a pound at the store for $1 from farmers that are absolutely happy with what we're paying them and absolutely happy to be supporting such a program. And if you sit and think about how you're going to treat your body well and how you're going to remain healthy and also treat our planet well, you go the extra mile and you figure out how to make the budget balance, and we've done that. I think when people are informed, when they're educated, when they understand what their call to action is, they travel that journey. And I think our biggest role is educating these children. So we have a garden and nutrition program that is very much a part of the food program as well. So they're out in the garden harvesting the food that's then going into their cafeteria that they're eating every day. They understand from where it comes. They pull a carrot out of the dirt and they eat it, and they love it.
There's many programs like the one that I was working with that, you know, they're teaching kids about kiwis, and the kids are getting to have tastings of eggplant or other vegetables, but then their lunch is still cardboard pizza every single day. And so that's why what's happening here with the school lunch, I mean, this is the model, you know, it needs to be both school lunches and then education supporting that.
I think the biggest surprise for this project, honestly, is the fact that it's covering so many different areas, you know, with the garden and the markets and the relationships that you create and the people that are as motivated as you, that want to make a difference, that want to make positive change and to spread as much good food and community around as possible.
It's all about access of food, and I feel like chefs can really facilitate food service in schools and hospitals by helping connect the access to these programs. And I guarantee their lives would be better for it, and I believe that their communities would be better for it.
We are at this exact moment in the process of expansion and trying to replicate the program in other schools. Schools are probably the largest purchaser of food on earth. If we can shift that and start supply and demand for the best food, things will look really different.